Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable recommendations and rewards notifications on eBay account. So first we're going to go to the eBay app. Then once you guys are here, going to click on My eBay. Then next we're going to click on Settings. Then we're going to click on Push Notifications. So there's the recommendations and rewards option. So 3 of them are turned off, you're going to turn them on. The personalized recommendations, the rewards and offers, as well as the general promotions notifications need to be turned on. Since they have their own relevance, it's good to turn them all on. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.